Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on Google Maps. So guys, at first go to your Google Map and then click on the profile icon in the right of corner and then click on settings and now click on Maps history and now tap on delete. Now choose the duration you want to select. The duration is like you can delete today or you can delete customer range or you can delete all times. So I am choosing delete all time. Then tap on delete. And guys, as you can see, the search history has been deleted, and that's how you can delete your search history on Google Maps. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.